It is a design pattern that hides complexity so well, beginners love it and seniors depend on it. Hey guys, I'm Al Khamis. Today we are talking about the facade design pattern, one of the most beginner-friendly patterns you can learn. Here's a surprise, you have probably used this pattern many times without knowing the name. By the end of this video, you'll understand it, code it in Java, and know when not to use it. Let's say you are building an app. Inside it, you have many systems, authentication, notifications, and login. Each system has its own classes and methods. Now imagine you want to do one simple action. User logs in, but to do that you must call authentication service, then logger, then the email service. That's too much work for the coder. This is where beginners get stuck and code becomes hard to read. The facade pattern is like having one simple helper that handles all the complicated work behind the scenes for you. Instead of dealing with many classes, systems, or steps, just interact with one easy interface that does everything for you. It is like a hotel reception that handles everything for you, a TV remote that controls many devices with one button, or a mobile app that hides all the complexity, so you just tap and get what you need. Starting a game has many steps, but the facade design pattern makes it one simple call. All the systems work, but you have to call each one every time, which is messy. The facade pattern hides all the details, so you can start everything with just simple method. Now starting the game is just one simple call. No messy setup, no system details, just start the game and enjoy. Here are the benefits and drawbacks. Benefits, very easy to use. Cleaner main code, great for beginners and API. Drawbacks, facade can become too big, might hide useful features if overused. Here's an honest tip, use it to simplify, not to hide everything. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe and comment below which design pattern I explain next. See you in the next one, bye.